All right, so we see market gapped up over our resistance zone, which was prior day high at this level. And you see as it broke through during pre-market, it just ran up. Hasn't even got a retest yet. Found some resistance up here at 597.50s, 5898. So we'll be looking for this zone to play as our new resistance, and hopefully our old resistance can turn to our new support. So now that we marked this as our new resistance, right? Our new resistance zone. We'd like to see the market come up here, test this level, and sell off. If it can hold as resistance, to come back and test prior day high, and see if they can turn that 595, 594 area back to resistance. I mean, back to support again. Like this zone was the initial zone from that I thought would hold before it broke down on Thursday. From 590 to 600. I thought we would trade within this range for a long time. It's crazy to see that the market pushed right back into that range, and now we're stuck into it again. So we'd like to see if this 598 is still can be resistance, or is it going to push up and go test 600 again, then start selling off again. We'll see. But what I'm watching this morning is this hold as resistance, then sellers step in and push the market back down to go test that 595 area. You can probably play puts back down to that zone. That'd be a nice play. But you also have to keep in mind this level right here, because you see the consolidation and the bounce in pre-market. So you'll have to keep in consideration if you're getting puts to watch this zone, this level right here, as potential bounce, which is the 596, 595. So it could be a base hit down, or it could be possibly a home run. You could possibly get 3 points if you hop in puts for the push down if pre-market holds. The way it's setting up though, that was a nice little sell-off. But now is this for the found support and then for the trend to continue, or is this, setting up for a nice little double top, trade down back to test prior day high? Have yet to see, but I know me, I don't like to trade in just random spots, and this would be a random spot to me. So I would sit out and wait for the market to come back and test this level to play calls up, or for the market to test this level to play push down. That's just me. That's what I'll be looking for. That's what I'll be waiting for the market to present itself to me. So it just takes patience and time right now. You don't want to just hop in random spots and just trade the market. That's when you will be donating your capital to the market. So just stock your levels, wait for your levels to come into play, and take that trade. And don't be quick to rush into the trade just because it touched this spot. Now, if it touched this spot and then buyers present themselves strong, just wait for it to come back down for the level, for the retest, and then hop in. I know there's going to be people sitting here waiting on this level to touch to potentially continue up. They might use that 596, 595 as support to take the market higher. But me, I would like for it to come back down and retest, because I know when the market opens, there's going to be a huge gap. And the market usually like to come back, retest prior day high, then make its move back up high. So that's why I got this level down here for that reasoning. But you just never know. It could gap up and then just continue to squeeze. But we'll sit back, we'll wait for the market to present its hand, and then we'll act accordingly. But more than likely, it's going to come back down, retest, consolidate, and then try to push back higher. That's what usually happens when you see these gap ups on these Mondays, or the market can just flush down, and the trend be a bull trap and the trend continue lower. That's why when it touch these levels, you can't just hop in prematurely. You gotta wait till buyers present themselves, or even up here, you gotta wait till sellers present themselves before you take your position. And that just comes with patience. No need to rush, no need to panic, no need to suffer from FOMO. Just wait for your levels to present themselves and execute your trade. That's it. I'll post my trading recap on the night tonight and let you guys know how I did, how I performed, win, lose, or draw. But good luck.